The internet is vast. It holds a universe of information. We can access this information instantly. This has transformed how we live, work, and play. Imagine a library with no walls. This library contains almost everything ever written. That is what the internet is like. It's a powerful tool for learning and connecting. The internet has made the world smaller. It connects people from all corners of the globe. We can share ideas and information like never before. Communication is now instant and global. We can email someone across the world. We can video chat with loved ones far away. Social media platforms connect billions. We share our lives and experiences with friends and family. This has created new ways to build and maintain relationships. Distance is no longer a barrier to communication. We can collaborate on projects with people in different countries. This has opened up new possibilities for business and research. The internet has revolutionized education. Students can access a wealth of information online. Online courses offer flexibility and convenience. Imagine learning about the Amazon rainforest. You could read books and articles, but with the internet, you can also watch documentaries. You can even take virtual tours. The internet provides equal access to education. No matter where you live, you can learn from the best. This has the potential to empower individuals and communities. Online shopping has exploded in popularity. We can buy almost anything with a few clicks. This convenience has transformed consumer behavior. Need a new book or a pair of shoes? You can order them online without leaving your home. You can compare prices from different sellers to find the best deals. Online shopping offers more choices and competitive prices. This benefits consumers by giving them access to a wider range of products and services. Section 5. Entertainment at your fingertips. The internet offers endless entertainment. We can stream movies and TV shows on demand. We can listen to music from around the world. Video games have become increasingly sophisticated and immersive. Online gaming connects players from different countries, fostering a sense of community. From watching documentaries to playing games, the internet provides endless entertainment. This constant access to entertainment can be both a blessing and a curse. Section 6. The dark side of the web. The internet is not without its downsides. Cyberbullying is a serious problem. Misinformation spreads quickly online. Criminals use the internet to scam people. It's important to be cautious and aware of online threats. We must learn to protect ourselves and our information. The anonymity of the internet can bring out the worst in people. It's easy to forget that there are real people behind the screens. Section 7. Balancing act, benefits and risks. The internet has brought many benefits. It has also created new challenges. We must learn to navigate these challenges responsibly. It's important to use the internet wisely. We should be critical of the information we see online. We should also be respectful of others. The internet is a powerful tool. Like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's up to us to decide how to use it. Section 8. The future of connection. The internet is constantly evolving. New technologies are emerging all the time. Virtual reality and augmented reality will create new ways to experience the web. Artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly important role. From search engines to social media algorithms, AI is shaping our online experiences. The internet of the future will be even more connected and immersive. This will create new opportunities and challenges. We must be prepared to adapt and evolve. Section 9. The internet's enduring legacy. The internet has fundamentally changed us. It has transformed how we communicate, learn, shop, and entertain ourselves. Its impact will continue to be felt for generations to come. As we explore the vast universe of information, we must remember to use this powerful tool wisely and responsibly. The future of the internet depends on it.